as President of Pakistan, hereby promote General Syed Asim Munir to full rank of Field Marshal and confer the baton of Field Marshal as Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces. I was more than happy to affirm this conferment. Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, your military career is forged with courage and refined by wisdom and commitment to lead with a vision, strength, and honor at the highest level of our armed forces. Throughout this week of Markah Haq, Field Marshal Asim displayed a pragmatic understanding of the need to avoid escalation. A diplomatic response was also appropriate by the world. Our media also played a role of highest of the truth